Well, we are at Pitsco this morning here in Pittsburgh, and we are joined by Alan and Lucas, and you guys are showing us how to make a catapult. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, why are we making a catapult? What is it teaching us about?
Mostly about physics and the force and which way it shoots.
So, how to use the force.
Yes.
All right. Go right ahead.
So what we have here is a simple designed catapult where if you get a sample of this and you make it into a ball, then what you can do is make it a little ball and then it'll shoot.
That's effective. Now, we have how many ingredients to using the force of the catapult? We've got popsicle sticks,
Rubber bands and a plastic,
a bottle cap,
yeah,
and then you're just using tinfoil to shoot these.
yeah.
Okay. So these are all things that you can find in the grocery store, around the house.
Yeah.
Pitsco has these. I mean, this is very accessible material.
And one more thing, a glue strip.
A glue strip. Okay, got
To
it.
keep the bottle cap on.
All right. Alan, Lucas, teach me how to make this thing.
What you do is you stack 6 of these popsicle sticks on, and then when you're done, you put rubber bands, and you just keep on putting them around and around. Then you grab more popsicle sticks, and then you put them in the middle. You put them right through.
All right. Did I do this right?
Yes.
Okay.
You grab the glue strip, and then you put it on right here. And then you grab the bottle cap, and then you put it on the glue strip. But you leave a little space where you can put your finger on.
Oh.
And then once you do it, you grab some tin foil, and you make it into a ball.
Did you have them? Did you?
Now, one of the things you can do is try different masses of projectiles to create a different parabolic path or an arc, a trajectory of the projectile.
All right. Well, without further ado, that's pretty good. All right. I noticed that yours went farther.
Probably because mine was smaller.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Thanks for showing us these.
You're
Try
welcome.
this one more time, Rin. I need practice.